Hey everyone, and welcome back, guys. In this video, we're going to touch on reporting. Now, guys, I'm super excited about reporting because we are one of the only companies that is actually reporting all of this data back to you. No other company is showing you in depth what your clients are actually doing on your platform. KnoCard actually does, folks. If you guys go ahead and click on those three little lines up there, we call burger menu, you're going to have a slide out. A lot of information is here on the slide out, but you see that line item number 3, which is going to be reporting. Again, this is a dashboard. You guys can clearly see that we've broken it down here. Under new prospects, I can see all the new prospects that I have added. If you click on any of these new prospects, it's actually going to give you all of the information right there of who that new prospect is. Now check this out. If I went ahead and clicked on page views is literally going to show me every single page view that someone has actually done. So for example, I sent something with Robert Banks. What did he actually look at? He actually looked at my contact page just 4 minutes ago, and we even timestamped that stuff for you, which is super powerful. Video views, let's just say if you guys have videos that you guys are promoting, you don't have to pick up the phone and call a prospect any longer. All you have to do is look at your video views. You can clearly see what videos that they've actually looked at. So for example, Sean Ross right here, what video did he look at? He looked at my media files. Very powerful that it gives me that data so I can kind of see. Matter of fact, it also says add media files. It was 1 view 3 days ago. So we're going to give you more in-depth information to make those decisions if it's a good time to pick up the phone and call Sean or not. What about media? What is KnoCard? So this is a media file that we shared. Here it is right there. Janine Hanley, she actually watched it and used our form. She chose opportunity of what she wanted to do with us. So she chose between product and opportunity. It reports that. We also have personal shares. So these are all the different KnoCards that I've actually shared out there. And remember that all these folks are also landing in your pipeline. KnoCard is going to give you a bird's eye view of everything that you've done. And look at the social posts out there, 1,215 just this month sharing different social posts. So for example, we have benefits and features call tonight, shares 266, and it's going to show you all the different people who we actually shared it with. So Rob Pickering shared with Brian, Kathy, but it just keeps on going. I could hit view all, and folks, I can literally scroll down and show you all the different people who we've actually shared that with. Guys, that's real-time reporting to give you guys real data. The nice thing about it also is if I wanted to change it to today's view, week view, all time. What if I change it to all time? Now it's showing you, it's changing all of those numbers all time, and you can always hit the reload button. So if you want to see something in real time, it's actually just pulling it directly from our server and giving you that real-time information. Guys, before I get you off of this, always remember on your pipeline down here, if you guys click on that pipeline button, that's powerful because why? You guys can actually click on the contact. So I'm going to click on Rob right here, and I can actually click on view activity. You see that little view activity button right there? I can click right there. That's also going to give me individual contact information of what that user did. Now I have to tell you folks, I primarily use this button a lot, my pipeline, so I can jump in and say, hey, Brian, what did Brian do? I'm getting ready to call him. Has he done anything on my KnoCard? And I'm going to say view activity, and I can start to see in real time what Brian has done. That kind of gets me more prepared for my call. Again, data is everything. This is how these companies become so large, not because they're smarter than you, but because they have the data, guys. Take advantage of KnoCard reporting and the data that we provide so you guys have a greater chance of closing that sale and moving that prospect forward.
KnoCard. Promote your passion.